Assalamu alaikum. Well, the person who is in front of you is Bushra Ansari, and today our purpose of doing this conversation is to discuss the Pakistan's future. And well, they'll ask me some questions, and I'll give them some answers. That what is my perspective and opinion about the Pakistan's future.
Okay, Bas, what do you think about Pakistan's future?
What do I think about Pakistan's future? Well, the Pakistan's future depends on the people and the citizens of Pakistan in their hands that what they want to do with Pakistan. Actually, the citizens of Pakistan don't want to blame themselves, and they want to blame the politicians of Pakistan, that the politicians of Pakistan are distracting and making the Pakistan undeveloped. But also, in my opinion, that they are the people, because politicians are someone who became the citizens become the politicians. So it is the fault of the citizens that why aren't they taking any step to make Pakistan developed. It is the people who should take part in the development of Pakistan. If they take part, if they raise their voice, if they do something for their country, for their homelands, so in my opinion that surely will Pakistan will become a developed country in the future.
Okay, what do you think? How do we develop ourselves in Pakistan? Means, if I see the situation of Pakistan, many young generation means youth, they are leaving Pakistan for their future. So, how can we make more developed future of Pakistan?
The youngsters of Pakistan are leaving Pakistan because there are less of jobs. The jobs are not are available for them. That's why they are leaving Pakistan, because they have gotten higher education. Now they have skills, some talent in themselves, but they don't know how to use that talent. Because in Pakistan there are no jobs for them. They wanna do something. They wanna serve something for Pakistan, but how should they do them? Because the people are not getting jobs. People are not hiring someone. People just that's why the people are leaving Pakistan.
We are facing electric problem, so how can we solve that problem?
We are facing the K-electric problems in Pakistan because the K-electric are not getting a fuel, the proper fuel by which they can provide the proper electricity to Pakistan, or especially in the Karachi. It is a major problem, and if you have the electricity problem, and if you are asking me that any reason or any conclusion that how can we ignore and how can we save ourselves from this problem, so we can, the solar system is one of the most usable thing in our society. A lot of people are using solar system to save themselves from the bills of K-electric, and that's how they are getting a lot of calmness in their lives, and they don't have to pay the bills of electricity through the help of solar system.
What's your opinion about education? Should women get education or not?
Should women get education or not? Obviously, women should get education, because our Holy Prophet peace be upon him said that women and men are equal, and they all should have education to improve themselves and to improve their next generation. So women should have education, but a lot of people in our society think that if women should have education, higher education, so they will become immodest, and they will become a way of immodesty in the society. But it is probably wrong, but because it is all the illiterate people's thought. It is a very old set mind of the people. In this era, women are equal to the men, and they must have education, get education.
Okay, so according to you, what is the role of citizens in the betterment of Pakistan?
The role of citizens in the betterment of Pakistan. The citizens must give their children education, or they shouldn't be blamed the politicians for everything. They should clean their areas, and they should do unity. Unity is the only thing by which the citizens of Pakistan can have a betterment in their country. Because people nowadays don't have unity, and by blaming all the politicians, they have become the same like politicians. People are doing corruption, people are doing all the bad things in the society, and it's up to them that if they want a developed country, so they should take their part in the development of Pakistan.
Let's suppose I am having a daughter and I want her to study more higher education. So should I send her to the co-education? If yes, so why? And what are the negative points that people point out that women should not go outside from the home? What are the negative points I want?
Like you are asking what are the negative points of women by getting education. The negative points which a lot of people are being harassing by, that if they get education, they will become immodest, they will forgive about their religion. They will not obey their religion anymore. If they get education, they will think of themselves higher than the men. But they are just the thoughts of the people. It is not the reality. Because not a woman want to show itself or herself higher than anyone. They are just getting education to make themselves equality. I think equality is a word which I must say here, that they want to make themselves equal like others. And a question you asked, that should you send your daughter to the education system? So obviously you should send, because after getting there she will learn a lot of things. Because learning is a thing which you can learn by staying at your home, but you will learn better when you have a gathering of a lot of people which are learning the same thing. When you will have a gathering and a surrounding of a betterment and a education, so she will I think she will do her best.
What do you want to say about that people like feminism, which is going on in our era? They are educated, but they are saying that apna khana khud garam karo, and they just become irresponsible. But they are educated.
Get your question, can you repeat?
What do you want to say about that people like feminism, which is going in our era? That they are educated people, but they are saying apna khana khud garam karo. They are just showing their irresponsibility, but they are educated.
Becomes educated, so she doesn't want to do any household chores, and she wants others to do the household chores by saying that I am an educated person, I want to do job, but I don't want to do any kind of household chores. I think it is not right. If she is getting education, so it doesn't mean that she will not do any household chores, because it is not about the man or woman. If you are living in a place, you must have a good surrounding, a safe and clean place to live. Because even a dog, if a dog is living somewhere, so he will clean that place first before sitting there. So we are humans, we must clean ourselves. It is not about men and women, we must do the clean. And if you are saying that it is not feminism, it is, I will say, the negative impact on the women's by which they are getting through education.
Okay guys, hello, myself Atisham. I'm learning master, and as well as I'm trying to be best in my English career level. So today I'm here to give you some information by my according to knowledge. So you can ask question. Very good question from you. But actually, according to me and according to my knowledge, we all responsible for that, because many people, not many, 90% people of Pakistan who are robbing the electricity. So that is why K Electric is not able to give electricity to everyone, because if they do not have any stock in their stock, so how could they give them? So that is why we are facing load shedding, because not everyone is paying the bill. Actually, you said K Electric is decreasing the rates, increasing the prices, increasing. Actually, guys, we have a lots of resources of oil and diesel, but we are not able to take out from the land. In Pakistan, we have in Balochistan, so that is why we have to purchase it from outside the Pakistan, means like Dubai, Qatar, and other side. So that is why they are having more expensive nowadays. If you see the worldwide situation, so oil prices are very high. So that is why K Electric is increasing their amount.
But every person cannot pay it.
Actually, not every person is paying the bill, because there are many people who are, we can say in normal way, thief. They are thief. They are robbing the electricity and they are not paying the bill. But how can we manage a very big surrounding area? Means we have a less people and we have a lots of consumers. So that is why K Electric is not able to measure everyone's situation. So that is why they make the complaint office, the complaint box, but we are responsible that we do not complain. This is the major problem. That is why K Electric always increase the bill, and we just think about negative, that K Electric is that, K Electric is that. K Electric is not bad. K Electric is good, but we are the faulty here because we do not count the problem that.
So you are saying we should support them.
Yeah, according to me, we should support them, because K Electric is also a part of Pakistan. They are here from many years. and they are working well. If you see the new meter of K Electric, it is very good in the measurement, and in the, we can say, what we say, the robbery of electricity. We are not able to do this, but we are Pakistani, and we can make many things to rob our electricity.
Due to the high bills of electricity, a lot of people are doing the solar system, like they are consuming the electricity from the solar system. So is it reliable or not?
Actually, solar system is a very good technology from my side. I have also have at my home solar energy, but people always go to solar, so it is not good, because solar system always generate the radiations. Without radiation, they will not be able to generate electricity. But we have, your first question was that we are having a very big amount of bill. So guys, I want you to know that if we get any, if we ever have a lots of payment of bill, so we are the responsible that we should count it, we should check it. We don't go to K Electric office and check that bill, that is it right or wrong, because they are also human, they have machinery, they can also make mistake. I have faced this. My house bill was 1,02,000 rupees. So I went to K office. I asked them, sir, what are the reasons? They said, sir, this. So I said, sir, you can come to my home, you can check. They come, they check, and they make this bill 12,000 rupees. So we are the faulty here. We do not count them.
As you said about the faulty of us, last time it happened with my home that we just pay the bill monthly. On monthly we pay bill, and we just get the bill like 50,000 we should pay. Means K Electric want that to submit our bill again and again. Matlab we submitted the bill and K Electric is asking again, and we just complain to K Electric, and they are just saying that you didn't submit the bill, and then we just go to AFAQ, and many of the problem I have to face. But at the end they are saying just you have to pay. There is no chance of it.
So did you have the copies of bill, that bill you have submitted?
Yes, I have the copy, as I show to them.
You showed them.
Yep, I showed them.
So you showed them, in spite of that they did not help you.
In spite of that, they are not helping me. They said you have to submit.
Okay. So according to me, there must be a communication error, because if you take your bill, if you have evidence that you have paid your bill, so there must be some communication error. Because of that, you had to must.
So it's our faulty to submit again. Means we have a lot of money to submit again bill.
Actually, guys, this is Pakistan. This is our homeland. We are the responsible. We are living here, so we have to recheck things. Means if somebody is sitting outside from the home, so we are the responsible to see them, to watch them. Is he a thief, or he is a normal person, or is he a needy person? So guys, do not take that anger in that I am giving the bill, I am rechecking all that. So it is your problem, so you have to give them.
Means you wanna say that I submitted the bill and again I have to submit. But I don't think, I don't have money to eat, but I am paying my bill on monthly. But again I have to pay in my bill.
Actually, the question you are raising, that it is the according to me system problem of K Electric, because if you showed them all the bills that you have paid, so it, according to me, there will be no bill to be paid from your side to K Electric.
So means it's K Electric fault, no? It means it's K Electric fault, not our.
Yeah, we can say that, because not K Electric is right and not our self is right.
After 1 decade or 2 decades, where do you see Pakistan? Like, how is the Pakistan doing? Like, what is your imagination after 10 or 20 years? How is the Pakistan doing?
According to me, after 10 to 20 years, Pakistan will be very good situation, because our governors, in they are working on technology, means IT. Murad Ali Shah, and also I forgot the name of that person. They are working hard for the technology side, for the medical side, for the education side. Means they are working hard. So according to me, if we take the responsibilities that we have, so Pakistan will be very good country in all over the world, and we will decrease our inflation.
So you wanna say, in spite of leaving Pakistan, we should stay here, wait, and bear all the problems.
Yeah, according to me, we must live here because this is our homeland. We are Pakistani. We will get respect in Pakistan, not all the side. Because I have one experience that when I went to Dubai, so there was Shurta, means the police of Dubai. So they did not give me respect. So I was shocked that in Pakistan, I must have respect in from unknown people. So why they are not giving me respect? So they said to me that you are Pakistani, and majority Pakistani are double dealer.
What's your opinion about for those people who are leaving Pakistan for jobs?
Actually, everybody has its own rights. So if we want to earn money in Pakistan, so we can. If we want to go outside, if so we can. But the majority people, they are leaving Pakistan just because of that they have the field that which is not in running in Pakistan, means the technology. If we talk about the IT side, so Pakistan is very back from the many countries in IT career. So that's why they are living. And if we see the CA chartered accountant, means the accounting field, Pakistan is also back from in that field, because we have a lots of organization, but we have the favoritism. So that is why we are facing these all problems. Okay, thank you so much to give me your time and to give me your air. Allah Hafiz.